Want to open a Starling Bank account? Whether it's personal, business, or for your solo hustle, this quick guide walks you through the full process online. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to starlingbank.com. Step 2. In the upper right corner of the homepage, click the Apply Now button. Step 3. You'll be given three options: personal account, business account, sole trader account. Choose the one that fits your needs. Step 4. Next, you'll be asked if you're a new customer or an existing customer. Choose accordingly. Step 5. If you're new, you'll be asked to enter your name and mobile number. Step 6. Click Start your application and follow the on-screen prompts to fill in your personal and financial details. Bonus tip: make sure your ID is valid and your phone has a working camera. You'll likely need to submit a video selfie and a photo of your ID for verification. And that's it. Now you know how to open a Starling Bank account straight from your browser. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful banking guides. See you next time!